One thing you love about your job. What would be the one thing that you really love about your job?
I think my job allows me to develop humongous insights into human behavior.
Okay. Your favorite destination you would love to travel to? Okay, so the flip side to that is one, if you had to pick one.
Right now, there is Tokyo in my mind.
Okay. Your favorite food?
Very difficult. Strawberry and chocolate, I'll never say no to.
Okay. A book that probably inspired you the most?
So I would say that the book that's always with me is The Little Prince.
The Little Prince.
Yeah. Animal Farm is amazing. I go to it to whenever I am in a situation where I have to deal with different kinds of people and I'm unable to understand what is driving their behavior. So Animal Farm is the book that I go to. And then there are various reads which keep shifting. Like sometimes I'm very attached to a book. For quite some time it stays with me. And then I move on to something. But yeah, these two. What else? I think these two I would say are
your all-time favorites?
Yeah, I mean, I could add a few, but they're not coming to me right now. But these two for sure.
Sure. Do you have any role model?
I've been so many at different stages of life, but also generally people inspire me. Like I mean, I think small stories about people and small acts about people, they make an impression on me. Like of course there have been. I remember there was a stage of my life when I was very inspired by Indira Gandhi. Then I was very inspired by Mother Teresa. Like I guess these are common names. A lot of people do get inspired, have got inspired. And I find myself too small to even say that, these people have inspired me. But I think regular stories of people inspire me a lot. And it's happened for the last few years.
Your fangirl moment, probably when you met some celebrity or made an effort to see someone whom you have high regards for.
I haven't made an effort, but I did have a fangirl moment. I had once, I chanced upon meeting Yoko Ono at the Yoko Ono.
Okay.
I chanced upon meeting her at the in one of the restaurants, and that was really amazing, really amazing moment. And she said something to me which will stay with me. So that was really a fangirl moment.
Interesting. Your most annoying habit?
You should ask my team.
A movie you walked out of midway?
Plenty.
Okay. What gets under your skin? Like irritates you the most?
When people say they're going to do something and they don't.
They don't do it. Okay.
I think that's very annoying for me. Don't say. I'll be happy not knowing.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. If not an HR professional, what would you have been?
Actually, since I never made a plan A or a plan B, it's difficult for me to say, but I guess I would have meandered my way through to do something. I don't know what it is, but it's nice to think what I could be.
Okay, moving on to the second bit, right, where I give you two options and you have to select one, right? So between...
Do I have to select? I can say pass.
You have to select one. No, you got to select one. I mean, come on, it's... Okay, so between Twitter or Instagram?
Instagram.
LinkedIn or Facebook?
I think I'll probably prefer LinkedIn.
Cricket or football?
Cricket.
Physics or chemistry?
Oh God, neither.
Okay, I'll accept that. Okay, movies or music?
Music.
Okay, weights or cardio?
Weights.
Books or Kindle?
Books.
Early morning or late night?
Early morning.
iOS or Android?
Apple.
Okay. Formals or casuals?
Formals.
Well, thank you so much for your time, Sudakshana. It's been a real pleasure, and of course, it has definitely been an insightful conversation with you today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. I do hope that you enjoy listening to it and people enjoy listening to it also.